Hello doctor, I'm Yoko. He's my friend Fuzzy. It's always troublesome for me when he catches cold.
Sorry, Yoko. I'm aware that whenever I sneeze, my prickly thorns hits you badly.
Well, it sounds like you have an allergic cough.
Oh no, poor Fuzzy.
Don't worry, have Zecuf, a herbal cough syrup that's as tasty as it is effective. Plus, it's alcohol-free and won't make you drowsy, made entirely from herbal ingredients. Its delicious taste ease your cough comfortably.
Thank you, Dr. Z. And thank you, Zecuf.
Zecuf relieves cough, soothes throat,